Hello everyone, so here we are with the first ever Tamil book. Yes students, Adda 24/7 publication is a big name in banking, SSC, railways, teaching, defense and engineering exams, and recently we are now coming up with the titles in Tamil language as well. Yes students, we are we are doing books in Hindi. We recently launched the Bengali book and the Kerala book and the Malayalam book, and now I have with me the exclusive book for the upcoming Tamil examinations, especially the TNPSC examinations, Group 1, Group 2, Group 3 and Group 4. This is a book for general awareness or general studies, which includes history, civics, geography, economics and the science portion, that is the physics, chemistry and bio, specifically designed for the competitive exams, which could be either the Tamil Nadu state exams or the SSC exams, or even for the railway examinations as well, because we have covered the content in that way, which will be covering all these examinations, because we have seen many of the things are similar in these examinations. So let's have the book. Let's have a review of the book. I have this book. This is a big book having approximately 1000 pages. So this is a super book. 1000 pages. All pages are obviously this book is in Tamil medium. We have kept the headings English as well as in Tamil so that everyone can understand that. But this is a book which has been come out from the publications of Adda 24/7. So let's have a look. Let's have the look at the content. So this book is divided into two parts. The first part is the history, geography, polity, economics, and the second part is the science part, physics, chemistry and biology. Okay? If we talk about the content, in history we have the ancient, the medieval and the modern. Then we have the geography, complete geography, which include the national as well as the world. Then we have the polity, then economics, all the topics which are relevant for the examination. Now this is a plus point of this book. This includes all those topics, all that content which is relevant. This is very important. We are not giving you, let's say, thousand of the topics to cover. We only be giving what is relevant, what is important for the examination. So this book is out now. It is available on our store. The link to buy this book I've already given in the description as well, and even the pinned the link in the comment section as well. So go grab this copy now. This will be delivered at your home. So please put the right address. Visit adda247.com and use code BK75. So you will get 75% off on this book, and you will get this journal studies book in Tamil for the upcoming Tamil Nadu examinations. So thank you and all the best. In case of any point or any problem, do mail us at blogger@adda247.com. Thank you and all the best.